I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Today's episode involves the chair doctor. That's me. I'm going to be doing some changes to this chair. It's all initiated by a style change. It needs to be a different color to match the new kitchen. But at the same time, there's a few problems with the frame. So we're going to address those problems. First thing I need to do is remove the seat. Take out the 4 screws that run through the stretchers there. And drop them into this little metal pan. Now why this particular pan? Well, because it's magnetic. Once you put a screw in there, it doesn't want to come out. Saves you dropping them on the floor as you're working. So take out the seat, move it over here out of harm's way, and set the screws over here on the bench. The impact driver can go back over on the rack, and now we're going to test the joints. On the back legs, the tenons have pulled loose from the mortise. So I'm going to check the front ones too. Just going to use a dead blow hammer. Yep, they're also loose. Yep. Now these corners are held in with screws pretty tightly. So I'm not going to take this loose. I'm just going to glue these bottom tenons back in, and that should take care of the problem. I'm using Titebond 2. I like it. It's a great glue. It's really strong. It's water resistant. Not a necessity for a job like this one, but makes it so I can only. But using Titebond 2 means that I can get by with using one brand of glue and not having to have multiple bottles sitting around. Now when I was a kid, Mr. Reed showed us how to use fish glue, which it's a good glue. There's nothing wrong with it. It's kind of a pain in the neck to put in because you have to heat it. And this Titebond, all I have to do is get it on there. I just draw the joints together. And with a little bit of water and a damp wipe off the extra glue. Make sure you don't have any squeeze out. As long as it hasn't set up, you can take it right off. Once it's set up, then it's a matter of scraping. And I just have to remember to pop the cap back down, which is my major failing. I'm always forgetting to do that, and then the top sets up and you gotta pick it up. Anyways, don't do that. Always pop the cap down. So right now Lydia has lunch ready. Time to go back upstairs, eat lunch, come back down. By then, the glue will be tacky. I'll be able to take this chair out in the garage, give it a good coat of paint. First I have to wash it off. Make sure I get off all the furniture polish and everything else, because furniture polish has wax in it, and the wax causes the paint to bead up. So I'll go over with an alcohol wipe and get it all cleaned off, make sure it's ready for paint.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.